Today I want to review the Baby Buddha portable breast pump. This is really one of my favorite portable breast pumps. It's on my list of good quality pumps. This one though does pack a punch. This has a much stronger suction than some of the other portable pumps on the market right now. So if you do have sensitive nipples, this would not be a good choice for you. This portable pump is going to come with a traditional flange setup. Because these flanges have this membrane for creating the suction, this is considered a closed system pump. So your milk is never going to be able to get into the tubing and into the pump. So the Baby Buddha is considered a pump that could be used by multiple different people. Unlike an open system like your Medela pump-in style where milk could potentially get into the pump. So this is a closed system. It could be considered a multi-user pump. This pump, when you turn it on, is going to start in a quick cycle. And as you can barely hear, it's actually really quite a quiet pump. It's going to have this quick suction to begin with on this initial cycle. And then it's going to give a longer suck. This is trying to stimulate how a baby would suck at the breast. So this is the initiate or the stimulation mode to try to get your milk to trigger. And then when you're in the other mode, it is just going to pump to express milk. As I said before, this one is going to pack a punch. It's going to give you quite a bit of suction strength on it, so it is not for the faint nipple. So be mindful of that. If you're looking for a portable pump and know you have sensitive nipples, this is a great pump, but user caution on this pump. It does again come with the traditional flanges. This pump can be used with collection cups like the Cara cups, Legendary Milk cups. It can be used with cups from the LV Stride or from the Spectra S9. Any of the other pumps that come with a collection cup, you can usually use that with this pump. The tubing can be compatible. Now you know. Does this one? So in continuing to talk about the Baby Buddha, let's talk a little bit about the settings. So when you turn this pump on, it's going to start in a quick cycle. This is a stimulation mode. On the Spectra, this is where you again have those bacon buttons or the wave. In order to increase the strength, you're swiping this little ball to be able to get it to change how strong it's sucking. Okay, so there's like a little ball right here that you move to increase that. And then when you switch it over into the other mode, where it's actually expressing, you're moving the ball up to give you more suction strength. Do not suck your brains out your nipples. With any breast pump, you want to have this comfortable, and more is not always better. These pumps are based on their cycle speed and their strength off of science. We know from lots of years of research how fast babies suck and how strong they suck. But your unique baby is unique in how fast and strong they suck. So when you're using a breast pump, you are trying to get the pump to mimic how your unique baby sucks. Every woman's body is different in how it stimulates and how it moves milk. Some people need a faster cycle. Some people are okay with a slower cycle. Some people need a lot of suction or vacuum. Some people need less. So do not use these settings at the max because most of these pumps are actually going to have stronger suck strength than you need. So make sure that you're not maxing the strength out. Usually if you have to have the strength all the way to the top, you're using the wrong size flange. The flange is too big where you need to create a bigger vacuum to move your breast tissue. So on this pump that packs a punch, if you have that suction strength all the way to the top and you're still not really seeing milk move, try going with a smaller flange and make sure you're lowering that suction. It should feel comfortable with no pain, and it should not be doing damage to your nipple. Let's also talk a little bit about the bottles that come with the Baby Buddha. Most pumps on the market now are going to come with some kind of nipple with it. This, in terms of design, has a very long nipple, and this is one of the squishiest, softest nipples that I've seen in a long time. It really just kind of compresses down. It has kind of a a beveled edge here that has a different texture to it, and it's kind of flat. The actual taper of it is okay, but this would not be my preferred choice for a bottle system. I tend to like a bottle nipple that's going to taper more than this like straw. This one is really soft and compressible, so it will have the tendency to spray milk much faster than other bottle systems. So if this is the only bottle that your baby will take, awesome, great. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. But this would not be my preferred choice for starting, especially a newborn or young baby, for a bottle nipple. If you have an older baby, 4, 5, 6 months, that you're introducing a bottle to for the first time, yes, you could try something like this. But if they won't take it, don't blame the baby. It's most likely the bottle nipple. Now you know.